Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to reset Notepad++ settings. First, close Notepad++ if it is currently open. Now press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run window. In the Run box, type %appdata%/ Notepad++ and press Enter. A folder will open with Notepad++ settings files. Before making any changes, it's a good idea to create a backup of this folder. You can copy the folder and save it somewhere safe. Now if you want to reset the settings, close Notepad++ completely and rename the Notepad++ settings folder to something like Notepad++ Backup. Next, open Notepad++ again. Notepad++ will create a new settings folder with the default settings. You can now check the program and see that the settings have returned to their default state. If you need your old settings again, close Notepad++ and restore the backup folder. And that's how you can reset Notepad++ settings safely. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more tutorials.